Alright, so let's see. Before we get all YouTube trying to play for me, so appreciate them for trying to keep me entertained. Let's go back into my studios while I roll up, because you know I gotta roll up before we burn out. Calling. God damn. Motherfuckers know damn well what the fuck I'm doing on a Wednesday, and if they don't know, that's not my fault. It's not my fault they don't pay attention. I've been telling them I've been on YouTube for years now, and they don't even know. But anyways, let's see. We got plenty of good analytics to discuss today, so that's why we're gonna make sure y'all see it. You did, cause look what we got going on over here. Let me zoom them in for you so you can start to see these numbers. Like I said, we're back at 10,000 views for the month. Appreciate that part of the game. Anyway, so let's see. Yeah, we had the 10,000 views for the month. It says we're only at 75 watch hours because a lot of the watch time has been off of shorts. That's the bad thing about having. God fucking damn. I love how when you fucking hit the ignore button, that just makes them call back. They just think that you're gonna answer because they're calling. No, motherfucker, you should know I'm live on YouTube right now, and you're calling me on my fucking phone. Who the fuck does that? See? Then when people say, "Well, you're making me look crazy," no, you make yourself look crazy. Hell, I ain't the goofy person that don't know other people's schedule you trying to talk to. Hell. They got too much free time, but you know how free time people are. You dig? Free time people. Hell. But anyways, let's see if they like not getting the point that just calling back to back to back ain't gonna get you what you want, because I'm still busy. What you say? You keep a knocking, but you can't come in. Come on. This is exactly why I'm rolling up like I don't give a fuck. But anyways. Let's see. That's a good thing about the YouTube video. Y'all just gonna have to deal with that. The Rumble people are looking at me like, man, this phone do keep ringing. That motherfucker crazy as hell. But anyways, let's see. Watch time hours. Y'all know how to help me get those up. Because if y'all want me to actually reapply for monetization, that's not hard for me to do. I just got to get about 11. Oh no, I was under 1,100 watch hours, so I need about 2,000 or 3,000 watch hours. That's a whole nother story to itself. But anyways, I digress. Let me take y'all in this green room, because I can roll with my hands and deal with shit on the other side. Let's see. Let's stop by tent 2. It looks like I need to check the water on these 3 that I changed the other day. They don't seem to be happy. But hell, it'll be like that sometime. The 3 in the back still rocking with me a little bit. Tent 2 doing good to somebody. I got clones ready to transplant. They look like they trying to fucking flower though, but hell, y'all